Hey guys, this is Christian from Christian's Crafty Adventures. I just want to share with you what I found a Tuesday morning. And I've been looking all over for this collection, especially if fall is coming. And I was very fortunate to have found the Auburn Lane collection. Sorry about the lighting. I'm trying to experiment on different lightings, but I want to show you what it has. It's perfect for fall project life right there. So it's thick enough paper, and it's perfect for fall. You can make cards. This is just pink. Love this one. This is one of my very favorites. Neutral. And this has 2 sheets of each. So we're just going to go through it one time. Black. Like a newspapery. Look how nice this is to cut apart and put in your projects. And this one. How gorgeous are these? So this one has like writing in it. So this is a great background for any project. I hope you can see the colors. This one is brown-ish, but it's very pretty still. This was released in 2018, fall of 2018, I think, for Thanksgiving. Houndstooth. Very beautiful. Nice subdued colors. This actually would really work with this month's Felicity Jane collection. So I would probably work with them in tandem. And look at all these cut aparts. So pretty. It's perfect. Making small embellishments. Project life. Any project actually. You can make gift bags. Treat bags for fall, Thanksgiving. You can use this for, and then it repeats, you can use this for any fall project. Like if you're doing, November grateful, like grateful for the month. Gratitude journal. This one is the flower, 9 pieces. It just matched perfectly. And this one, I got 2 of this, and this one is what it contains. I think it's pretty for layering. And then I found this one, 6x8 for cards. And let me show you. So I cut up the I cut up the house one and the project life one. So this is what I have so far. So I was able to cut up 1 page because there's 2 each. So this could be your own additional ephemera pack. So it's pretty cool. You just put like foam in the back. Or not, but this is your own ephemera, I think. So every single house I cut up. So pretty. You can just put this in like a front page, like your fall decoration maybe, or project life, anything. If you want to do like a travel journal. So I'm considering this my own. A new ephemera pack. That's why I love doing these. I love 12x12 papers because you can do so much with it. This is one of the reasons why I love this paper collection actually. It's because of these beautiful houses. And then fortunately I was able to find the sequin collection. So this one is the heart. And then it has some pink, white, gold. And then some paper clips. And then I was able to find the washi. Hopefully I can find more, but let me show you what it has. These are the washi. Anyway, I hope you like my project share and stay crafty. Have a crafty day. Bye, guys.